Now, I'd like to understand more about the Business Research Company's Global Market Report and their unique selling points.
Hundreds of world leading companies rely on us to supply key data analysis, customized research services because of our gold research methodology. We have a strong research process and conduct thousands of detailed research executive interviews. As we have said before, we have rich repository of 3,000 markets and thousands of industry experts and participants within our database. We also have a catalog of more than 7,000 titles within our report offerings across industries covering information technology, electrical and electronics, chemicals and materials, and healthcare and life sciences. And when we also have companies database, we cover thousands of companies in our database across all industries. We have 100 plus in-house research consultants who have delivered hundreds of projects for blue chip clients, and we have strong analytical capabilities with research consultants with decades of industry experience. And our report coverage includes 27 industries with more than 7,000 titles, as we have said before. We also have a strong editorial team. We have a dedicated UK editorial team. All the of content which is produced here is sent to UK editorial team. UK editorial team is involved in final editing with a key focus on language and logical checks of all qualitative content produced by the research teams here, and feedbacks are shared with the reports team to address comments in any specific changes are to be made in these files.
It's good to know that the Business Research Company offers such rich information that can be leveraged by entities and companies to help drive growth.